Hey, did someone throw up in your car? Today on Captain Housekeeper, I'm going to give you my tips and tricks for getting the smell of vomit out of your vehicle, so stay tuned. Recently on my live show, I answered the question about getting the smell of vomit out of the car. If you want to know when I go live, please subscribe to the Captain Housekeeper YouTube channel and ring that little notification bell so you'll be notified when I go live. And now here's some highlights from my live show. Elise had a question about how to get the smell of vomit out of a car. Now, that is, the easy answer is to just trade in the car, because once you get a smell in the carpet of a car, it seems to stay. Once when I was in Dallas, my roommate left a half gallon of milk in the back seat of his little truck all weekend long, and it was so hot the milk literally exploded, and he tried to get it cleaned and everything. He finally had to he had to get rid of the truck. He had to trade it in because it stank so bad. However, Elisa and everyone else, I think that you can get the smell of vomit out of a car. First thing you have to do, obviously, is you need to keep the windows rolled down to keep fresh air coming in, because odor particles are in the air also, so that'll help draw some of them out. So this is what I would do. I would vacuum the carpet, because I'm assuming this is dry and it's all cleaned up and everything. Vacuum the carpet real well. And what you're going to need is like a scrub brush, but not metal, just like plastic scrub brush, because you're going to want to rough up the fibers to be able to get in there. So rough up the fibers really, really well. And then I would take a spray bottle and I would fill it with 1 part vinegar and 2 parts warm water, because the warmth will help open up the fibers. And I would spray it into the area and then scrub it in really well. Then take a rag, or a microfiber rag would work well, just any rag that'll absorb, and rub it really well. And I would repeat that several times. Do the vinegar water, scrub it in, and then wipe it as dry as you can get it. What you're doing is you're loosening up all the fibers. You're loosening up those particles that you're smelling, and you're getting them out of there. The vinegar will help, and the warm water will help, and the brush will help. Then what I would do is I have an endless supply of this. I would go to the pet supply store and I would get something that's made for dog urine, and it'll say it's enzymatic. It has enzymes. And what I would do is I would spray the area and continue the brush and wiping with the enzyme cleaner, because the enzymes will break down. They'll help you, because they'll break down all those particles that you're smelling and help to remove them and neutralize them. I would think it's going to take several passes. You're gonna have to do it over and over again. Leave the windows open. Once the carpet dries, vacuum it really, really well, so that if the enzymes have broken down particles and they're still sitting there, you vacuum them out. But I think eventually you'll be able to get the smell out. I hope that helps, Elisa. Don't feel like you have to trade in your car right away, but it might come to that. It might take a little bit of effort, but it's totally worth it to get that smell out of your car. Be sure to check out the rest of the playlist for more tips and tricks. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the Captain Housekeeper YouTube channel. Join me live Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Central in the USA. We always have a lot of fun. See you then.